Polymer film packaging is widely used throughout society, all over the world. The packaging material that's been traditionally used often goes to landfill and produces a significant environmental downside. The research that Manchester Met has been undertaking with Bob's Manchester Limited is actually changing the landscape of sustainable packaging. We've been able to produce materials that have the potential for much more sustainable packaging going forwards. I'm Glen West. I'm a materials engineer working at Manchester Met. My research areas involve the development of advanced materials, and I teach in advanced materials and project management. The research project with Bob's Manchester Limited was to develop a new barrier layer for their polymer film food packaging applications. The new barrier layer provides the capability to make much more recyclable and biodegradable packaging in future.
Hello, my name is Carolin Struller and I work for Bob's Manchester. I am the department head of R&D, the competence center in the lab. The biggest challenge with all of that is achieving the barrier properties we have to achieve in order to be able to package the foodstuff, but also actually processing materials to be able to produce solutions that are sustainable and can replace existing non-sustainable packaging.
The way the problem is approached, we would investigate new materials and new ways of growing materials at Manchester Met, transfer that technology to the deposition systems at Bob's Manchester Limited, and then we took those samples and we were able to use our advanced characterization techniques at Manchester Met, things like X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, atomic force microscopy, to demonstrate the benefits of these new materials. The outputs from our original research projects with Bob's have led to a much larger programme of research involving all the key players from the industry. Manchester Met is still involved in all aspects of that, from working with major manufacturers of packaging materials through to developing new materials within our labs.
We're working throughout the whole value chain to really work and develop these sustainable solutions so that material, actually are seen as a valuable resource and not as waste anymore.